Seeing a green line or green screen on your iPhone? Don't worry, this video covers why it happens and shows you quick solutions to fix it. Let's get started. Part 1. Why is my iPhone screen green? Settings. Dark mode or low brightness. iOS. Outdated software. Water. Echoed contact. Hardware. Screen or circuit damage. Burn-in. Static images. Accidents. Drops or locking or unlocking. Part 2. How to fix iPhone green screen of death. 6 proven ways. Solution 1. Adjust iPhone display settings. Enable auto brightness. Go to Settings, General, Accessibility, Display, and Text Size. Enable auto brightness. Turn on True Tone and set a shorter auto lock time. Go to Settings, Display, and Brightness. Enable True Tone. Then, select Auto Lock and set a shorter auto lock duration. Solution 2. Force restart iPhone. iPhone 8 and later. Press volume up, volume down. Then hold power until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 7 Plus. Hold power and volume down together until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 6 and earlier. Hold power and home till the Apple logo appears. Solution 4. Update iOS to the latest version. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and if an update is available, tap Download and Install. Solution 3. Reset all settings. Go to Settings and tap General. Select Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap Reset. Select Reset all settings to return your iPhone settings to default. Solution 5. Close all background apps. For iPhone 8 and earlier, double-click the Home button to view recently used apps. Then swipe up on each app to close it. For iPhone X and later, swipe up from the bottom of the home screen and pause in the middle. Then swipe up on all app previews to close them. Suggested. Make a backup of your iPhone in advance. Fixing the green screen may lead to data loss, so regular backups are essential. We recommend Mobikin Assistant for iOS, a user-friendly tool for backing up iPhone data. Step 1. Install and launch the program on your computer. Connect your iPhone to this computer with the data cable, and click Trust on your iPhone screen to authorize the connection. Step 2. Next, click on the types of data from the left sidebar. Preview and select the data you would like to back up and click Export. Keep the device connected to the computer until the process is complete. If you want to back up all iPhone data in one click, you can click Super Toolkit, iTunes Backup and Restore Backup from the top navigation menu bar.